What is snoring? Snoring happens when tissues in the back of the throat vibrate as air passes over them during sleep. What causes snoring? When we are asleep, the area at the back of the throat sometimes narrows as the muscles relax, and even close off temporarily. The same amount of air passing through this smaller opening more rapidly can cause the tissues surrounding the opening to vibrate, which in turn can cause the sounds of snoring. Different people who snore have different reasons for the narrowing. The narrowing can be in the nose, mouth, or throat. What natural home remedies to stop snoring work? There are some home remedies and behavior changes that may help reduce or eliminate snoring. 1. Lose weight. 2. Don't sleep on your back. 3. Avoid alcohol. 4. Don't take muscle relaxants. Talk to your doctor before stopping any prescription medication, and ask about alternatives. 5. Quit smoking. 6. Use nasal strips to open nasal passages. 7. Try an anti-snoring pillow. 8. Take a hot shower before bed to open the sinuses. 9. Throat exercises. Don't forget to click subscribe button. Thank you for watching.